So this is one of the reasons why I said it's going to take me weeks. So this is the part that the elephant hose fixes to blow out all the exhaust gas or engine gas. So sandblasted it and then hit it with the buffers. And then this is the rear main seal. So sandblasted, and then I deburr the edges and then hit it with the buffers. Shiny metal is less sticky. So this is gasket, this is oil sling. We want it to drip right back off. And on the front, I go over it with the red scratch pad. Anything that the buffer wheel doesn't touch. And then this is the water pump housing. So this is iron, but same thing. Go in and deburr it, sandblast it, and then hit it with variations of different scratch pads and sanding discs to smooth it out. This is going to get painted. These are going to stay raw. So every part that comes off that's going back on will get some sort of detailing attention. So this is the oil pan, and it looked better than this, but I mean, so this is after I sandblasted it. So it's got some, but if you don't have a sandblaster, you could use a wire wheel on a drill. You got to get all the grease off. So all of that oil debris off the inside, that's all gone. And now we're going to shine it up, clean it up, make it look presentable. So first thing is there's casting lines right here. We're going to take those off.
Okay, cool. Rolling. Got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? Said, hurry, hurry, yeah, your love is dead. I said, I got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? I said, hurry, hurry, the guy you love is dead. Grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. Got down there, so lay down on that cooling board. I said, I grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. I got down there, she was laid out on that cooling board. Well, I walked right close, looked down in her face. Said, the good old gal got laid to the judgment day. I said, I got right close, looked down in her face. The good old gal got to lay down till the judgment day. Look like there's 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. Didn't know I loved her till they laid her down. Looked like there were 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. I said I didn't know how much I loved her till they laid her down. Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. Would mistreat my baby for my weight in gold. I said, Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. I would mistreat my baby for my weight in gold. Well, I fold my arms, slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, honey, see you on Judgment Day. I said, I'll fold up my arms and slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, see you on the Judgment Day. No, I went in pray. Blues came along, drove my spirit away. I said I went into my room, bowed my head to pray. I said the blues came along, Lord, drove my spirit away. You know I didn't feel so bad till the good old sun went down. Didn't have a soul, throw my arms around. Said I didn't feel so bad. The good old sun went down. That's when I didn't have no soul, throw my arms around. Well, I said I loved you, baby, like I love myself. You don't have me, you won't have nobody else. I said I love you, baby, then I love myself. I can't have you, baby, when you can't have nobody else. You know it's hard, I love someone who don't love you. I said it's hard, it's so hard, love someone that don't love you. Ain't no satisfaction, don't care what in the world you do. Got up this morning, just about to break a day, hugging that pillow where she used to lay. I said I woke up this morning, just about to break a day. I said I was hugging that pillow where my girl used to lay. Woke up this morning, feeling down for my shoes. You know my dad had more walking blues. I said I woke up this morning, feeling around for my shoes. I said you know about that, baby, I had them all walking blues. You know I cried last night and the night before. Got to change my way of living so I don't cry no more. I said I cried last night and all the night before. Change my way of living, I don't have to cry no more. Ah, hush, thought I heard her call my name. I was so loud, it was so nice and plain. I said, ah, hush, thought I heard her call my name. If it wasn't so loud, Lord, it's so nice and plain. Well, listen, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, try to get along with you. I said, now listen, oh, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, I'll try to get along with you. Well, the minute seemed like hours and the hours seemed like days. It seemed like good old gal don't stop the low down ways. I said, minute seemed like hours, hours seem like days. Oh, my good old gal don't stop the low down cheating way. You know love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. I said love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. Well, love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. I said, well, I love sometimes make you feel sad and blue.
So now when it goes back on, it'll look nice. it'll be easier to clean because now it's more smooth, so we can just wipe it down. Same thing within the grooves, they're all smooth. I think there's actually more sandblast. There is more sandblasting. I got a bunch more pieces to go. But that's all for oil pan, cleaning, blasting, detailing. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.